Hello students, warm welcome to the new academic session 2021. Today we are starting with the standard 7th mathematics digital class. I hope everybody is having the textbook. This is the cover page of your maths textbook and this is the content of your textbook. Here first 8 lessons are for the first term. First lesson will be conducted when you will be back to school, and today we are going to start with the second lesson, multiplication and division of the integers. So first of all, we revise what are the integers. You already studied this in the standard 6th. What are the integers? Positive numbers 0 and negative numbers together form a group of numbers called the group of integers. Examples: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on are the negative integers, while 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the positive integers and 0 is also there. There are certain rules which we have to follow while doing addition and subtraction of integers. These rules also we studied in the 6th standard, but again we are taking it here. First, addition of integers. First rule is when adding integers with the same sign, ignore the signs and add the numbers, then give the common sign to their sums. Let's see the example. Here in first example, both the numbers are positive integers. That means +2 and +4. So what the rule says, when adding integers with the same sign, ignore the sign. We have to ignore the sign and find the sum. What is the sum of 4 and 2? That is 6. And the common sign should be written over there, and all of you know that we are not writing the positive sign, so the answer will get here 6. In second example, both the integers you can see here negative integers, so we have to add them and give the sign minus sign, so answer will be -6. Like this, the another situation when both the integers are different. So what the rule says, let's see here. When adding integers with different signs, ignore the sign and subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. Then give the sign of the bigger number to the difference of 10. Let's solve the example here. In first example, 2 plus -4 is there. Here 2 is positive integer, -4 is negative integers. So while doing it, according to rule, we have to ignore the sign and find the difference. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2. So we will write here 2 and the sign of bigger number. The sign of bigger number is minus. So answer will be -2. In second example, -2 plus 4. First one is negative integer and second one is positive. The same thing is followed here. We have to find the difference. The difference is again 2 and the sign of bigger number, that is positive. We are not going to write the plus sign here. So answer is 2. So these are the rules of addition. Similarly, there is a rule for the subtraction. What is the subtraction rule of integers? When subtracting integers, change the sign on the integer that is to be subtracted and follow the rules of addition. Let's look the examples here. First is -2 minus -4. Here both are negative numbers, right? So according to rule, the sign on the integer that is to be subtracted, we are subtracting -4 from the -2, so we will change the sign of -4. -4 changes into +4, so you will get -2 plus 4, and the answer will be, again we will get here 2, because we have to find the difference. 2 is there and the sign of bigger number, that is positive again. In the second example, -2 -4. Positive 4 is there, we have to change the sign, plus becomes minus, and -2 plus -6, both are negative integers, we have to add them. 6 will get, and the sign of numbers, that is minus. So answer is -6. In third example, 2 minus -4 here. So here -4 changes into +4. We'll get two integers which are positive. 2 plus 4 becomes 6. Using above rules, we have to find the answers of the questions which are given here. The first one, plus 5 plus 7. That means both the integers are positive. It's a very simple. Everybody knows the answer. It is 12. The second is 10 plus -5. Here one positive and one negative integer is there. According to rule, we have to ignore the sign and find the difference. The difference between 10 and 5 is 5. And the sign of big number is positive. So you will get the answer here, plus 5. In third example, -4 plus 3. Same thing is here. One is negative integer, one is positive integer. According to rule, we have to ignore the sign, find the difference. The difference between 4 and 3 is 1. And the sign of bigger number is minus. So answer will be -1. In fourth example, -7 plus -2 is equals to. Here both are negative integers. Simply we are going to add here 7 and 2. It becomes 9, and the sign will be carried over, that is minus. In next example, +8 minus +3. Here minus means subtraction sum is there. While doing the subtraction, we have to change the sign of the number which is subtracted. +3 becomes -3. So one is positive integer and one is negative integer. +8 minus 3 is here. So again we have to ignore the sign, find the difference. The difference between 8 and 3 is 5, and the sign of big number, that is plus. So it is +5. The next, or +5. Next is +8 minus -3. Again it is a subtraction sum here. Here we will going to change the sign of -3. -3 becomes +3. So we will get here both integers positive. So +8 +3 will become 11, and your answer will be 11, positive integer. So these are the rules of adding and subtraction of the integers, and based on it we already solved the above examples. Now here one activity is given in your textbook. We have to complete it. Write a number in each bracket to obtain the answer 3 in each operation. You have to solve it and send it back to WhatsApp number. We'll check it and get you back with the answers tomorrow. I hope everybody understand it. If you have any doubt, please share it on WhatsApp. Thank you all for the lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.